That's one full bag of Jet Puff mini marshmallows. Now I'm coming in with two 3.4 ounce boxes of strawberry jello. All right, we're coming in with 2 cups of hot water. And I'm gonna start giving this a good stir. We wanna get this all incorporated, the jello, the marshmallows. These are gonna start melting. All right, all that jello is getting incorporated. Our marshmallows are melting down into our hot water, and we are almost ready for our next step here. Alrighty, now that we've got our marshmallows all smoothed into our jello mix here, I am just bringing this over to my baking sheet. We're just gonna pour that into a smooth, even layer. Alrighty, y'all, I'm gonna pop this into the fridge for 2 hours to set. Alrighty, y'all, our jello's almost set. I'm just bringing in my metal bowl here. I've got some heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna put in about 2 cups of this whipping cream. Perfect. Put in a dash of vanilla extract. There we go, about 1 teaspoon. And of course, we're putting in some powdered sugar here. Whoop, that's more than enough. Just put it into your liking for preference for sweetness. All right, we're gonna get this all whipped up. All right, this looks perfect. I'm just gonna pop this in my fridge for just a couple minutes. What's going on down there? Now I'm bringing in our dessert cups, and you might be wondering, what are we gonna make with whipped cream and some jello? Well, I'm gonna show you. I'm putting a little bit of pretzels into each one of these. These are gluten-free pretzels. Of course, you can just use the regular kind of rolled galled. You can use smaller crunched up bits, the figure-8 pretzels. We just happen to have these left over around our house, so we are just using what we got. Now I've got some gorgeous sliced strawberries, and we did use our little strawberry slicer for these, and it's so convenient if you're looking for a slice like this to just use it. It's got a fun little handle. You squeeze it, and it just makes your strawberries into delicious, thin little bites. These are gorgeous. Wow, these are some good looking strawberries. Isn't that one of the best things about summer is we've got seasonal berries, so tasty, super refreshing, and this is a fun, light dessert that's perfect to make for summer. This one's definitely a crowd pleaser. I think you guys are really gonna love it. You just stick the little strawberry right in there, and then you give it a squeeze, and it comes out as these slices. Now I'm gonna grab my heavy whipping cream here. I mean, whipped cream. Now it's whipped cream. It was made from heavy whipping cream. And I'm putting a dollop into each one of our beautiful little dessert cups here. Pretzels, strawberries, homemade whipped cream. Of course, you can always use Cool Whip. You can use Ready Whip, whatever your preference is. We just had a little extra time today, so we decided to make our own. All right, everybody, take a look at how good our marshmallow jello turned out. Now I've just got my little pastry roller here. I'm gonna pan this up, and you can use just a regular dinner knife, but I'm just gonna use our pastry roller to cut this into a wave pattern. We're gonna try and make this here into 4 pretty even strips. And then you're gonna see what we're doing with this. It's gonna be so pretty, so cool. All right, make sure we got our edges loosened. Perfect. Now I'm gonna grab on our edge here. And what I'm gonna do is start rolling this way. Look at that gorgeous jelly rose. Just gonna continue rolling these edges, rolling up our roses. Wow, y'all. Look how beautiful that is. It reminds me of Beauty and the Beast, you know, a tale as old as time. And look how easy this is. And this marshmallow jello came out so good, y'all. It's way more like thick and pliable. Look at that. Gorgeous. And you know what, you guys? Marty said I should have used my bigger dessert cups, and Marty was completely right. So I do just want to shout out, let Marty, I want to say Marty was right.
My rare victory.
Yes, exactly. You should really hold on to those when you get them, honey.
Trust me, I do.
Yeah.
Timestamp.
All right. Gorgeous. These are perfect for a summer party, y'all. This is our deconstructed strawberry pretzel salad with our beautiful jello rose on this. This is too pretty. I'm not gonna eat it right now, but y'all, you gotta try it.